This is a tale of three brothers, several obstacles, and a mother who would never give up. Hailing from a small, middle class agricultural family, the mother understood the value of education and worked relentlessly to provide the best education for her children. As the time marched on, they are now stalwarts, and the world looks up to them and is inspired by their path and success. But who are these three brothers? Mr. Ravindra Rao, Dr. Surendra Rao, Mr. Devendra Rao, and their mother, Mrs. Yashoda, the name that resonates when one talks about trust and the best affordable healthcare. Back in 1989, Yashoda Hospitals began as a modest facility in Somajiguda with 50 beds, with the goal of providing care to both domestic and international patients. It has since grown, not just in size but also in number, by adding 3 more hospitals to become a more than 4,000 bedded respected chain of hospitals. These state-of-the-art hospitals are a beacon of hope for thousands of patients with its all-round holistic medical care offerings. The perseverance and hard work poured into these hospitals is the reason it is today considered the top hospital chain in Telugu-speaking states and is recognized as one of the best hospitals in the country. The three brothers, moved by the desire to give back to the society that had given them so much, founded the Yashoda Foundation in 2011. Their goal was to continue their humanitarian endeavors and make a positive impact on the lives of orphan children. The Yashoda Foundation provides programs such as Abhaya, Akshara, Bharati, and Ma Kutumbam. Abhaya is a social inclusion through employment-linked training. Akshara, tuition support. Bharati, advocacy program for orphans to raise awareness and support for their needs, and Ma Kutumbam is a community of alumni from the Abhaya. Around 4,000 children are currently benefited by this project each year, and more than 100 batches of pupils have graduated as of this date. This journey of three brothers and a lovely mother is just getting started.